Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, June 12th, 2024, and we're looking to go down with QQQ on bar open.
Order fill.
Inverted H, inverted H, inverted H wide state, inverted H. 555, inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Right now would be a good example for more newer traders. They would see that the price dropped and is starting to retrace on them, and they get frantic and they close their positions up. But if we look, market dropped, it's retracing, and at the very least, it's going to come back down to the original point of the retrace. So let your trades develop. So this way you can stick through leg 1, 2, 3. This still has a high probability of hitting our dollar target. So just be patient. Once this price starts to drop back down to that 50 MA on our 1 minute chart, then you can start focusing on more aggressive management. Until then, be patient and allow the setup to develop. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen, back to the 50. A little bit of patience goes a long way. So the probability is still very high that we'll get our dollar. I don't expect the price to move much farther past the 474.34 area that we're looking to take profits at. I expect it to maybe go down to the 474.25, maybe 474, and have a hard type reaction off of those areas.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
Order fill.
And they're slightly better than a dollar move, ladies and gentlemen.